Good morning, children. So today we are going to see subtraction. You have learned the subtraction of two-digit numbers and single-digit number in the previous classes, right? So we are going to see subtraction of three-digit numbers now. So first, see, here you have 468 subtracted from 365. Now, how we have to write is, we have to write according to the place value. First you have 400, right? Three digit means we have 100, tens and units. First hundreds and then tens and units. First here you have 468. 468 and down here you have 365. 365. Now here you have 8. Okay, so here you have 5. You have to subtract 8 from 5. Now you have 8. From that you have to subtract 5. Let's subtract 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Remaining 1, 2, 3. 3 is there. So 8 minus 5 will be 3. Here you have 6. 6 minus 6 will be 0. So if you see, 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0. Whichever, if you are subtracting the number from same number, you have to write 0. If you are subtracting 5 from 5, then it is 0. If you are subtracting two numbers which are same, okay, so then the answer will be 0. Now here you have 4 and here you have 3. 4 minus 1, 2 and 3. Remaining 1. So the answer is 103. Okay. So this is how you subtract. Now we are going to see two more problems. A shopkeeper, Shushmita borrowed a book of 150 rupees. She gave 200 rupees to the shopkeeper. So how much remaining change she should get from the shopkeeper? So the book, amount of book is 150 rupees and the total amount she gave is 200. Okay, now what is the change? See, here you have 3 digits, so which is 100, tens and units. Likewise, here also you have 100, tens and unit. She gave 200 rupees. 200 rupees. And the book price is 150 rupees. Now, if you subtract the amount of book from the amount that she gave, you will get the remaining change, right? So if you subtract 0 from 0, then you will get 0. See, here you have 0 and here you have 5. You can see that 0 is less than 5. What you have to do is, we have to borrow, right? You learned about borrow. What you will do is, you will borrow from the number before. Here you have 2 and here you have 0. So what you will do, you will borrow from the previous number. If you borrow 1 from 2, then you will have 1 here, and here you have 0. So 1 if you borrowed from 100, so you will get 10 here. Okay. So if you subtract 10 from 5, then what you will get? You have 10 here and you have to subtract 5 from it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Here you have 1 and here you have 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So how much she got in return? Here you have 0. So you can leave it. So if you have 0 before the number, then you can leave it. That means 50 rupees. Okay. So the next one. Here is the fox story. a fox is selling banana to all the elephants and monkeys. In that, a monkey saved 247 rupees. Okay, it got banana for rupees 158. Out of that, the fox gave only 76 rupees. So whether we are going to check whether the fox gave the correct change or not. Okay, so the total amount that the monkey gave for fox is 247. This is 100, this is tens, and this is units. Okay, now for how much rupees the monkey got banana is 158. So 158. Now what should be the change that is given to the monkey? Okay, here see, here you have 7 and here you have 8. So what we will do is, we will borrow from the previous number. Here if you borrow from 1, then you will get 3 here, and here it will be 17. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Now you have to subtract 8 from this 17. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 is gone. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 9 is the remaining. Now here see, here you have 3 and here you have 5. So what you will do? You will borrow from the previous one. If you borrow from here, then you will get 13 here. Okay, so 13, if you subtract 13 from 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you have to subtract 5 from this 13. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so 1 minus 1 will be 0. So the total change that should be given to monkey is 89 rupees, but out of that only 76 rupees were given to monkey. Fox has cheated again. So whenever you are getting change from the shopkeeper, you have to check. Okay, so now we are going to see exercise 4.2. 4.2, see, first they are given Rakshita as rupees 265 and Ashok as rupees 134. They have asked us who has the highest amount of money and how much difference do they have. First, if you see here, you can say 265 and here you can see that 134. Which is greater? This is right. So Rakshita has more money. Okay. So now they have asked us by how much money she is having more. Okay. So what you have to do is subtract whatever she has from whatever he has. Okay. So what you will do is you will write according to the place value. Now she has 265 and he has 134. Okay, so we have to subtract this from this. 5 minus 4 is 5 minus 1, 2, 3 and 4 is 1. And here you have 6 and here you have 3. 6 minus 3 is 1, 2 and 3. 3 is 1, 2, 3. So here you have 2, here you have 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So Rakshita has more money by 131 rupees. She is having 131 rupees more than Ashok. Okay. So now we are moving on to the next sum. Because he is reading a novel containing 325 pages and he already finished 224 pages. So how many pages till he got to read? So total amount of page is 325 and how much he finished reading? 224. So if you subtract this from this total amount, then you will get the remaining pages that you have to finish. Okay. So according to place value, 100, tens and units, 3, 2 and 5, 2, 2 and 4. So 5 minus 1, 2, 3, 4 is 1 and 2 minus 2 is 0 and 3 minus 2, 1, 2 is 1. So there are 101 pages remaining. Okay. So the next one is Ramya and Soumya are holding the marks they have obtained in 7th annual examination. Who has scored less mark and what is the difference in score? Okay, so Ramya has scored 386 and Soumya scored 491. So look at this and find who is having more marks, 386 and 491. Obviously 491 is greater than 386. So Soumya scored more marks. So what is the difference between their scores? Right. So 100, tens and units, 491 and 386. Now you can see that 1 is less than 6. So what you have to do is borrow. From here, if you borrow 1, it will become 8 and here it will become 11. Okay, so 11 minus 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right, you have to subtract 6 from 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How much is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. Here you have 8 and here 8 minus 8 is 0. And here you have 4, here you have 3. 4 minus 1, 2, 3 is 1. So the difference of their marks is 105. So there are 2 more sums in this, 4th and 5th sum. That is your homework. You have to finish it. See you in the next class. Bye.